Meaning of frippery.
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 Frippery. The word frippery refers to something that is showy or frivolous, lacking in substance or importance. It can also refer to ornamental decoration or embellishments. The term is often used to describe things that are considered excessive or unnecessary, such as clothing or accessories that are overly ostentatious. For example, a dress covered in glittering sequins and feathers might be considered a frippery. Overall, the word carries a negative connotation, suggesting that something is superficial or lacking in real value.